Good morning, Alodika. Hey everyone, so today we are going to Kuala Lumpur. So currently we are in Don Mueang Airport in Bangkok. So the time is currently 10:30 a.m. and we have our flight at 1:10, right, Alodika? Yeah, so today we are leaving Bangkok and we are heading to the another country, which is Malaysia. So Malaysia is not a new country for us. Last year we went to Malaysia and again we are going to Malaysia for 3 to 4 days. So in the airport I have seen something which I want to show you. I think this is duck and chicken. So for last 5 to 7 days, Alodika, you have not eaten much, right? Because wherever we are going, we are seeing something which we don't like at all. So it is very difficult to get a proper vegetarian food in Thailand. So I can see some flights here. Alodika, wait. Alodika, wait. Why are you walking so fast? You want to go alone or what? Look at the camera at least, Alodika. You are not talking anything today.
I'm not feeling oil.
So Alodika, what is the gate number we have to go? Hello? Gate number 14, right? Okay. We have enough time though. Still we have around 3 hours from now. Just look at the price, guys. So the prices are given in Thai baht currency. So what I saw is like for a cup of tea we have to pay around 500 here in Indian currency. What you doing? Where are you sitting here? Let's go to gate number 14. Have you gone mad or what? Come. So guys, yesterday we bought around 4 to 5 bottles of water yesterday night, and we thought that we would carry all the water bottles with us. So we carried them, but just 5 minutes back we had to throw them because we can't carry water inside the flight. So that is not allowed. And here, if we want to buy a half liter of water bottle, the price is around 200 rupees in Indian currency. I don't know how much we have to walk. We already have walked for around 500 meters from the baggage counter to reach our gate, which is gate number 14. We will not eat anything in the airport. So there is a place called Little India in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Yeah, so we get all Indian foods, and there will be dedicated vegetarian restaurant in that Little India part of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So come here, Alodika. Let me show the flight. Thai Lion. So currently we are in the international departures, so we would get to see the flights from many countries. The ambience is really nice, right, Alodika?
Yeah.
Our Calcutta airport is not this big. See, it is looking like a shopping mall altogether. A big shopping mall. Like the South City shopping mall in Kolkata. Alodika is very much tired today. For last 6 to 7 days, we are just roaming here and there, and we did not get proper Indian food. So some kind of relief we are getting, thinking that at least we would be able to eat something now in Kuala Lumpur. So for those who don't know, there is a Tamil community which stay in Kuala Lumpur, and
So
if you go to that place, so everyone over there will be Tamil, like speaking Tamil, and they're Tamilian. So it is not that they're Indian Tamil. So they're staying in the Malaysia for last like 200-300 years, that community. So they are Malaysian Tamil, but maybe their ancestors are from India. Like long back, they would have come and settled in Malaysia, and they have like organized the place like India only. There would be high-rise buildings, but the culture you would see in that place is kind of Indian culture. You get Indian tea, Indian like curries and all. So proper Indian, authentic Indian food you can get from there.
definitely, we know that we will get
Indian food.
Indian food in Kuala Lumpur. So many people stay in Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, this Thailand is like Bangkok city is too much crowded. Kuala Lumpur is not that crowded. So definitely we are going to post many vlogs from Kuala Lumpur as well. I think we are reaching gate number 14 very soon. I can see the indication for gate number 14 here. There are a lot of vacant places to sit, Alodika. Right. I think I'm telling your name many times in our vloggings. Alodika, Alodika. Right. Should
Sit here.
I not take your name much or what? Is it fine with you?
Yeah, it's fine. I don't have any issue.
Okay.
If you want, you can say anything.
So, Alodika, let's find a place where we can see the flights are like taking off. I want a good view. So let's find a place. Let's find a good place, not place. Places are everywhere. There are many seats are vacant. So finally, this is gate number 14. So gate number 14 is in downstairs or what? I think so. We have to go down, Alodika. Come. This is gate number 14, I guess. This is the way to go to gate number 14. I don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, we have to.
So we
wait
have
here.
not come to Thailand with the help of any tourist agency. We have planned everything on our own. So this type of things we need to sort out on our own. Like we don't know like where to go. We have to find everything and see. There's no one to tell us. So the entire Phuket, entire Bangkok city, we planned on our own. Yeah, this seems like gate number 14 only. The place is very much empty. Since he is coming. Yeah, we can see the takeoff from here very easily. So I can see Air Asia flights here, and this is something which I have not seen earlier. I don't know what is the airline flight is this. The glasses are little blur, like that is why I'm not able to capture the takeoffs properly. Alodika, I think the AC is not working, right? I think we have to go to some other